Okay na yan. May diagnosis na tayo. Huwag na ang PE. So, madalas mo ba itong marinig? O baka ikaw mismo ang nagsasabi? Pero ito ang hindi alam ng marami. PhilHealth doesn't pay for treatment alone. They pay for complete clinical proof. Okay? At isa sa pinaka-basic pero pinaka-critical, physical exam. Yes, PE po, you heard it right. Kung walang documented physical findings, kahit gaano ka kagaling mag-diagnose, bagsak ang claim mo. So, let me explain why. The physical exam is not just a tradition. It is your clinical snapshot. Ito ang ebidensya na nagsasabing, here's what I saw. Here is why I admitted the patient. Here is why I managed the case this way. So ito po, walang body temperature, okay? Ito namang walang auscultation notes, walang abdominal findings. Then, there's no proof of severity. There's no justification for admission. So, no support for your diagnosis. Ibig sabihin, kulang. Okay? At ang kulang sa mata ni PhilHealth, denied, return, or baka ma-audit pa kayo. So, imagine nyo po, you admitted a pneumonia case. Tama ang gamot. May diagnostics. Pero sa chart, okay, yung lung finding sa PE, wala. Okay? Result, there is no clinical correlation with the CF4. Again, talo ang hospital, talo ang pasyente, talo si doc. So this is avoidable. Don't skip PE. Never po, even on a busy day. Don't make it generic. Be specific and relevant to the case. Ito ho ang tip ha. Okay, document it clearly. Vitals, system-based finding, your interpretation. And then, train your interns. Train the residents. PE po is not optional anymore. It is actually essential. And here's the truth. If po, it is not written, it did not happen. Ulitin po natin ha. If it's not written, it did not happen. At kung hindi nangyari sa chart, hindi babayaran. So, like and share this video. Okay, sa Viber ba or sa GC ninyo. Subscribe to this channel for weekly content. Ulitin natin, because one missed PE can cost your hospital thousands of pesos. And of course, don't let this happen. Friends, this is Coach Doc Ben. See you soon.